welcome to my class. Today we are learning days of the week and months. So let's start with days of the week. 星期一 which means Monday. 星期一 which means Monday. Repeat with me. 星期一 which means Monday. 星期二 which means Tuesday. 星期二 which means Tuesday. Repeat with me. 星期二 which means Tuesday. 星期三 which means Wednesday. 星期三 which means Wednesday. Repeat with me. 星期三 which means Wednesday. 星期四 which means Thursday. 星期四 which means Thursday. Repeat with me. 星期四 which means Thursday. 星期五 which means Friday. Repeat with me. 星期五 which means Friday. Let's move to the next word. 星期六 which means Saturday. Speak with me. 星期六 which means Saturday. Let's move to the next word. 星期天 which means Sunday. Let's speak with me. 星期天 which means Sunday. Let's we move to the months of the year in Mandarin. 一月份 which means January. Speak with me. 一月份 which means January. Speak with me again. 一月份 which means January. Speak with me again. 一月份 which means January. 一月份 which means January. Let's move to the next word. 二月份 which means February. Speak with me. 二月份 which means February. Repeat with me again. 二月份 which means February. Let's move to the next word. 三月份 which means March. Repeat with me. 三月份 which means March. 三月份 which means March. Let's move to the next word. 四月份 which means April. Repeat with me. 四月份 which means April. 四月份 which means April. Let's speak with me. 五月份 which means May. Let's repeat again. 五月份 which means May. 五月份 which means May. Let's move to the next word. 六月份 which means June. Let's repeat with me again. 六月份 which means June. 六月份 which means June. Let's move to the next word. 七月份 which means July. Let's repeat with me again. 七月份 which means July. 七月份 which means July. Let's move to the next word. 八月份 which means August. Let's repeat with me again. 八月份 which means August. 八月份 which means August. Speak with me. 九月份 which means September. Repeat with me. 九月份 which means September. 九月 Fen, which means September. Let's move to the next word. Shi Yue Fen, which means October. Repeat with me. Shi Yue Fen, which means October. Shi Yue Fen, which means October. Let's move to the next word. Shi Yue Fen, which means November. Repeat with me. Shi Yue Fen, which means November. Shi Yue Fen, which means November. Let's move to the next word. Shi Yue Fen, which means December. Repeat with me. Shi Yue Fen, which means December. Shi Yue Fen, which means December. Thanks for watching my video. Next class we will learn country names in Mandarin. Goodbye.